So hey there, today we'll be giving you a quick tutorial about how to create a custom message block on the checkout page of Shopify. So I'm using an app called Checkout Blocks Plus from the Shopify App Store. It's only compatible for Shopify Plus customers. So let's jump into the tutorial. First select the Checkout Blocks Plus app. Now create the advanced block. Select on the create advanced block. So advanced block is for creating messages, for giving custom messages, for show and hide messages for the customers. So now create the checkout block. Now title the checkout page, like we can give a free shipping message on checkout page, like free ship. Let's make this title as free shipping. Now you need to add the rule section. And rule section is where you can conditionally show the messages, like we can give like the car total greater than make it is 500. Next is the add custom block for the messages, like select the message button and give the message like free shipping is available up to, let's give a date, up to 5th February 2024. 2024. You can display this as an info message or error message or warning message, like that. So let's make it as a warning message. Now save the block. So next is to active the block and save it once more. After saving, you get a block detail ID. You need to copy this block detail ID and need to go to settings, select the checkout and click on the customize button. So from here you need to add that custom block into the checkout. So you need to select on add app block, and from here we can see that the checkout block plus custom block is here. So the block is now here. So the message is giving block not found. So after giving the block ID, you can see the block is now visible to everyone. So after saving, the block is now live too. You can see the block live on your checkout. So we can also change the position of the custom block into the delivery section, like we can see here, and save it once more. So after going to the checkout, you just reload the button checkout. Yeah, we can see the free shipping available block, custom block is now visible to everyone in the checkout box. Also, you can notice one thing, the cart value is greater than 500. So that's it.